What's going on YouTube? It's your boy John B. Come back to you guys with another haircut tutorial. Here I'm doing my favorite haircut actually to do, which is a temple taper. Right here I'm just taking it down to a number 3 on top. This is my boy Lucky. He comes to me every 2 weeks, maybe 1.5 if he feels like getting it quicker. But this is actually going to be my last video for I think the next week or 2 because I'm going on vacation. I'll be in San Diego. If anybody wants to hit me up, if I could stop by one of you guys' shops, that'd be cool. Just leave it in the comments down below. But back to the cut. I'm going with a 2 close all around on the sides. Actually, the top is a 3, and he gets a 2 on the side just to get everything even. And I'm just going over it multiple times just so I don't miss any hair, because this dude did really come in with hat hair, and a lot of you barbers know hat hair and hair with gel is the most irritating things when you have to cut someone's hair, because the hair isn't at its natural placement. So like I said, I'm just going over it with number 2 all around. So starting, this is how I start my temple tapers. I make a guideline, as you can see, with my cordless and STL liners. Then I go with the shaver, but I make it a straight line because it's a temple taper. You go as high as where to the point there's no hook. For my tapers, that's how I like to do my temple tapers. So as you can see, I went with this fade master with the fade blade. I went with it open and then I close it. This is gonna be a simple step tutorial. Anybody can follow this. This is super easy. Now I'm going with the 1 close. And how do you blend that 1 close? You open it, and right below that I'm snapping on the 1.5 1/16 guard, and I'm blending right below that. And this is a haircut you can actually bang out really easily because it's so fun to me and it's so easy to do, and it's clean. Especially for those people, and I'm one of them, where we don't like really getting skin fades anymore because maybe we have a dip in our head or feel like our head looks weird. This is the perfect haircut for you. Simple, easy, and you see I'm lining it up like a rough draft kind of lineup. This isn't the real lineup. It's just to see the haircut and the fade pop a little bit more. And I go with the scissors. Starting on the other side, I'm practically doing the same thing. So, more background on this haircut. I actually started following Ty Barber sign. If you guys haven't followed him, he's a barber from Sacramento. He does a lot of tapers, and that's why I fell in love with the fade masters and doing all these tapers, because he's really good at it and it's fun to watch. So check him out. He has a huge following if you guys haven't already, and if I can learn from them, so can you. Moving on to the back. As you can see, his haircut, you can see that he does come frequently. You can see where the fade was. So with doing my back tapers, I like lining up the sides first. Like I said, it pops more, and you can see it. You can see the flaws at an earlier stage. So I'm going all around the ears. But for the fade wise, I'm doing the same exact technique, fading upwards, following the first. Pretty much, these are the steps that you need to know when you first start cutting hair, so you understand the basics and understand the clip sizes and how to eliminate those lines. Like as you can see here, this is easy. Like pull down the ear and take your time with this. This video is actually sped up, but you can see that I really go in on it and I really get all the straight hairs. And go with the shaver, shave down those straight hair, like those hairs on the side. And like I said, same technique. And I want you guys to drop down below what's your guys' favorite haircuts to do, and any haircuts that you want me to do. follow me on my Instagram, DM me, say, oh, I want to see this tutorial, because I have a lot of clients and I can try my best to get it in for you guys, but I've just been so ready for vacation. I just haven't been filming as much. So this, like I said, this is the last tutorial I have in my memory card that I can do. But once I get back from vacation, it's back on the grind. I got you guys on new tutorials and everything. Just remember to click subscribe, turn on their post notifications so you'll know when I drop a video, and you'll get that instantly and you can learn more. So like I said, doing the same steps. You can see it coming out already. This guy has really good hair for tapers, because that's all he's been getting ever since I've been cutting him up. Here I'm using the Lay Right grooming spray. I usually like doing this at the end of haircuts, like when I'm preparing to line them up. I just spray a little bit and comb it down, because it kind of hardens the hair and gets it ready for a lineup. Like you can see right here, like the hair stays in place. It's kind of like hairspray, but we use it before you blow dry the hair and style it. But I like to do it on fades like this, just to line it up, because I just feel like it comes out cleaner, in my opinion. Like I said, everybody has their own style, but give it a try. Let me know if it helps you guys, because I've been doing it and I don't really use enhancements like fibers or anything, because like no offense to it, but I just feel like I only use it if they want it. I don't ever use it just because I want to use it. It's because I don't know, I just feel like when they go home and shower, the lineup's not gonna be there, you know what I mean? So that's why I like doing it all natural. Anybody can give a good lineup or with fibers, you know? Not everybody wants to get painted on. But as you can see right here, I'm pretty much finished with the haircut. I'm just doing a minor touch-ups on the straight edge, raise the line up, then I flip it around, reverse backhand. But yeah, so thank you guys for tuning in. We just hit 700 subscribers this morning. I wanted to get this video in for you guys because I fly out in a few days. But it's your boy John B. Thank you guys for subscribing. I appreciate every single one of you guys that like the video, comment your thoughts and everything. I'll comment back to every single one of you guys as much as I can. So thank you. John B. out.
Beats.